welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. Also, I am taking emails as well. If you guys are having any issues with any of your tech, then feel free to email me and I will try my best to help you guys out. So I'm going to start by saying that I've recently created a website. You can see it right here on my screen right now. There's a bunch of different tabs that I have. The website's, of course, called howtotechtips.com. And basically, the main function, but I think for this website, is the forms section. So you click on forms. Here, you will find all of your, troubleshooting. If you want to sell, your Microsoft equipment, Apple equipment. There's just tutorials and laptops. Sometimes one person may have an error. I might not have the message, but somebody else might. Before open discussion for everybody that needs help with their technology. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to split screen on Windows 11. This basically will let you work on multiple windows, I guess you can say, at the same time. You can either do it in halves or in quarters. I'm just going to open a bunch of different Google Chromes here. Okay. And then basically what you do is you hold on to the left button, so you can see how I'm moving with my mouse, and then you're gonna want to go to the right side, and you can either put it into quarters or into halves. So halves, obviously you're gonna get more window and you're only gonna be able to have two windows open at the same time, versus quarter basically, then you would be able to have four screens open at the same time. So we'll do 4 screens at the same time right now. And just like that, you got 4 different screens. Yeah, they're a little bit smaller, but if you need to if you need 4 different, Google Chrome applications or whatever, then you can do that. Or I'll also show for when it's half. So you can actually do, here, another one. You can either go on this side or you can go on the other side as well. Doesn't matter where you start. I don't know. Can you go on the top? No. The top would, oh yeah, you can go top too. Top. And if you go down a little, then you can go half. And then half. And then you got 2 windows open just like that. And that's basically it. That's just to be more productive and be able to do multiple tasks at once if you need to. Thanks guys for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.